or your face as you were leaving, but I guess that's just the way the story goes. You always smile, but in your eyes your sorrow shows. Yes, it shows. Now I can't forget tomorrow when I think of all my sorrow. When I had you there, but then I let you go. And now it's only fair that I should let you know what you should know. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart, then you can start to make it better. Na 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 na. Hey Jude,
I started a joke, which started the whole world crying, but I didn't see that the joke was on me. Oh no, I started to cry, which started the whole world laughing, but the time doesn't see that a joke was on me.
see the tree, how big it's grown, but friend, it wasn't been too long, it wasn't big. I loved her and she got mad the first day that she planted it was just a tree. Then the first you came and she went out to bridge us nowhere so we wouldn't die. Get running all excited, sleeping almost hurt herself and laughed till I cried. She was always young enough, kind of deaf and kind of smart, and I loved her so. And I surprised her with a perfume, kept me up on Christmas Eve 2 years ago. And it was sure embarrassing when I came in from working late, but I would know that she been sitting there and crying over some silent city let him show. And honey, I miss you, and I'm being good, and I long to be with you, if only I could.
in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left the seeds where I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dream I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone,